Hello, welcome back and thanks for watching. So today's tutorial uses this Arrowhead mold from Natalie's creation, and it also features the cardstock grab bags that they have on their website. So these grab bags are perfect because they fit right into the mold and they have so many different designs included in them. So it lets me offer a lot to my customers without taking lots of time myself to design them all. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use this Buck Up Buttercup design because my customers love Western stuff. I'm just going to punch 2 holes at the top because that helps my Freshies hang straight when they're in the car. And then you put the design facing down towards your mold and make sure it's nice and flat. For my hole savers, I use 22 casings from a pistol, but if that's not your style or you just don't have a shooting range near you, you can also buy them online at Natalie's Creations as well. So for this, I'm going to use E-Squared's black mica. It's definitely my favorite black because it hardly takes any to color the beads. I'm just going to dump the beads all the way around, making sure I get enough behind those hole savers. And I like to fill my molds up about halfway. Once you have your mold filled up, then you'll bake it. I bake on 325 degrees for 20 minutes. And then once it's cooled off, that means that it is all finished. So I'm just going to pop out those hole savers and then I'm going to add my string. And for my strings, I use they're actually called tag strings. So it's what a store would use to hang tags off their clothes. So I just push 2 of those together and then that's how I hang mine. Thank you so much for watching. If there's anything else you need help with, please leave it in the comments. I'm always looking for new video ideas and I would love to make stuff that would be helpful to you. If you found my videos helpful, then there's always more on my channel and you can also subscribe to get notified when I post new things.